Every day at SIS Surabaya begins with smiles, laughter, and excitement. For our preschoolers, school isn't just a place to learn. It's a place where they feel loved, safe, and curious about the world around them. These early years are so important. It's when children build the confidence to ask questions, explore their ideas, and express who they are. Our teachers are at the heart of everything we do. At SIS, we hire for attitude, not just skill. Because when you have teachers who are patient, compassionate, and deeply passionate about helping children grow, everything else follows naturally. Our learning spaces are designed to spark imagination. Each classroom is bright, colorful, and full of opportunities for exploration. Children love spending time in our outdoor and our Galaxy Gym. Help them stay active while learning teamwork and coordination. Our program combines the Singapore NEL framework with the International Early Years curriculum. Learning is active, hands-on, and full of discovery. We guide children to ask questions, solve problems, and express their ideas with confidence. From literacy and numeracy to social and emotional growth, every activity builds the foundation for lifelong learning. Because every child learns best when they feel happy, confident, and inspired. Every afternoon at SIS Surabaya, preschoolers dive into fun and learning through our after-school program. Music, cooking, messy play, building, and more. It's where confidence grows, creativity blooms, and the best part, it's open to all preschoolers. Come and see how our people, place, and program create an experience that truly makes a difference at SIS Surabaya Preschool.